This is my first YouTube video, so I'm very excited to see how this video will perform on YouTube. Okay, everything has a beginning and starts from zero. So don't hesitate to begin. Anyway, in this video, I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do in this channel, what's the purpose of this channel, and what you'll get by watching this channel. So let me welcome you all to my channel, Easy Hacks. Right, first of all, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 23 years old, and I'm currently an undergraduate doing an IT degree. Basically, I had a thought of starting Easy Hacks, as many people are unaware about the potential of their mobile phone or their laptop. They tend to stick to the basic functionality of the device, and indeed reluctant to go beyond that. Maybe the first thing coming into your mind is rooting your Android device. Actually, I'm saying not only that, but many simple legitimate things you can use on your day-to-day life as the citizens of 21st century. It may be from a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C or V, up to building and complex malware that could kneel down an entire organization. By the way, as my channel name suggests about hackings, I'm not going to post anything that violates copyrights of some software, and I'm completely not intending to harm any intellectual property by any means. This is only for educational purposes. I chose this name because it's interesting, and someone could say what I'll post in the future be hackings in some point of view, but actually it's not the case. All the stuff I discuss here can be performed as a typical user like me and you without doing rocket maths. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks you can use to make your work done faster using your device, tutorials of about specific topics, antivirus tests, and especially how to deal with malware, and also latest tech news. So stay with my channel and click the subscribe button and share with your friends. It means a lot for me, guys. That's it for today. Pretty boring, right? I've brought you some time lapses to watch. They're actually pretty interesting and inspiring to see real-life things happening faster. As the vibe in my mind is somewhat closer to this, I thought to drop them to this video too. Before you go, I'm going to tell you something about my second video. That's going to be about downloading a YouTube video. You might be laughing, but it's not going to be just that, you'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and share this among your friends. Totally worth it. Hope to see you in the next video.